So, is there a terrific method to back up and restore Android data like contacts, photos, and documents? Well, that's easy. Focus on this passage to get the most anticipated methods now. Method 1. Backup and restore Android in one click. Want to get a suitable backup and restore software? Take a look at Mobikin Backup Manager for Android, Win, and Mac. Another name for it is Android Backup and Restore. Section 1. How to backup your Android device with Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Start the program on a PC Mac. Step 2. Go to the Backup option. Step 3. Backup Android phone to computer. Section 2. How to restore your Android device with Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Choose the Restore option. Step 2. Restore Android phone. Method 2. Backup and restore Android phone with Assistant for Android. If you want to preview the Android content and choose whatever you want to back up, Mobikin Assistant for Android, Win, and Mac can also be included in your list of options. Backup. Download Assistant for Android when you install and open it on a computer. Make a physical connection between your Android phone and the computer via USB. Get your phone identified by following the specifications on the screen. Restore. Select any file types from the left menu. Tap Import at the top screen to choose the backup content from your computer. Save the items to restore them to your Android phone. This smart tool also lets you back up and restore Android phones in bulk. Backup. After the connection and recognition, go to the Programs. Super Toolkit, Backup. Choose Data Categories, Backup. Restore. Tap Super Toolkit, Restore. Select Backup Files, Restore. Method 3. Backup and restore your Android device via Google account. Backup. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset. Enable Backup My Data to sync via Google account. Restore. In Settings, go to Backup and Reset. Enable Automatic Restore to restore the backup on your phone. Method 4. Backup and restore files on Android tablet via Samsung account, Samsung only. Backup. Samsung. Settings, Samsung Cloud. Backup settings. Login if needed. Tap Backup Now. Restore. Samsung. Settings, Samsung Cloud. Choose Backup. Tap Restore. Restore now. Method 5. Backup and restore Android with Android File Transfer Mac only. Install Android File Transfer on Mac. Connect Android via USB. Follow prompts for recognition. Use the app to backup, copy, and restore drag-drop files. Method 6. Backup and restore Android phone with apps. Install Easy Backup and restore on Android. Agree to backup. Choose data. Set backup location. Name file. Tap OK. Wait. Open app. Tap Restore. Follow instructions to retrieve files.